lanes. Look at this guy trying to get through. Now, that four-wheel drive boat, he might make it, but it's never a good idea. And if his insurance agent is watching, he's probably going to ring that guy up for a few more dollars. But that's the only kind of vehicle that might be able to make it through. He seems to be navigating it pretty well. But if you don't have a truck that large, you should not even, if you're in a car, don't even try, because you saw that one that was floating and what's going on with that. And he looks like he may be having some problems.
Not at all.
Jeff, I want to show you our position as well. We're up to our knees, my photographer and I, so we're going to have to pack up shop and move ourselves as well so that we don't get trapped here. I mean, again, I'm kind of small, so that doesn't say much as far as how far the water's going, but again, we're kind of getting in a tough spot as well.
Yeah.
But look, I guess the truck did successfully make it, thank goodness.
Barely, though. All right.
Another success story.
All right, Erica.
Yeah. Full send. Full send. Full send. Full send.
This afternoon, so if you're down this way, stop on out, check out the trucks, check out the vendors. Right now, news.
So can I take the car?
It's all yours.
I want to.